The last one is related to the occurrence of coral reefs. Coral reefs are major geological structures built by biological activity. Corals can be seen along some of the beaches looking as a piece of rock-like material. The corals are the skeletons of many tiny sea animals living side by side. Each one of these animals is known as a coral polyp. A coral polyp is a soft, almost transparent animal which builds its own skeleton outside its body. Since it has no backbone, it is an invertebrate. Corals which produce a hard skeleton are called as stony corals. They have special cells on the outskirts of their bodies which produce a limestone substance and that form the skeleton. This makes them hard like a rock. The polyps sit in the cup-like portions of the skeletons. Corals belong to a large group of invertebrates which includes jellyfish, sea anemones and hydroids. There are varieties of corals existing in nature. The types of corals are classified into stony corals and soft corals. The stony corals include stony corals, finger corals, fungus corals, brain corals, tube corals, rose corals, staghorn corals and lettuce leaf corals. The soft corals include sea fans, bushy soft corals, sea feathers and the black coral. The live hard corals can be divided into four major forms: branching forms, massive forms, tabulate or flat forms and the miscellaneous or other forms. The coral growth needs a clean and warm water. The best temperature for coral growth is 18 degrees centigrade. In general, reefs form where the following set of conditions are met with: warm water not cooling below 18 degrees centigrade during the year, wave swept high energy cores, hard substrates, normal marine salinity water, absence of abundant clastic detritus sediments and shallow water condition with 0 to 30 meters depth of water zone, which is a photic zone. The ecosystem characteristics are varied from that of the others. Coral reefs are made up of much more than corals and their skeletal remains. The other organisms living in reefs deposit their calcium carbonate materials as limestone materials in coral zones. Reefs provide the home for a wider variety of plants and animals. The spaces, sinks and cracks in the hard coral mass make suitable shelters and feeding grounds for the marine worms, sea urchins, sponges, sea fans, mollusks, crabs, shrimps and sea anemones and fishes to survive in the corals. The energy which cycles through the reef keeps all plants and animals alive. The energy comes from the sun. The reef environment supports the planktons. Plants are abundant in the reef environment. They provide the basic food for the entire ecosystems. There are many reef animals which eat the plants and are eaten by other animals. They are small like crustaceans and also called as worms. There are many larger animals like sponges existing in corals. There are zooplanktons living at the base of many of these corals. Coral reefs can be classified based on their morphology, evolution, size, depth of the surrounding water and the relationship to the nearby land. Morphology is the major criteria considered while classifying the corals. The major types of coral reefs existing in the world are as follows: shore reefs or fringing reefs, barrier reefs, atolls, which is classified into two divisions as deep sea atolls and shelf atolls. The minor types of corals include table reefs, the Faroe, micro atolls, knolls, patch reefs and many more. The importance of corals are to be understood. Coral seas are typical ecosystems, and most of them are shallow marine and few are deep marine environments. Coral ecosystems encompass a good platform for varieties of natural resources. Coral seas are good spots for ecotourism. Coral life are unique and exhibit the natural museum of wonderful marine life, which include typical and beautiful plants and animals. Corals are also used as ornamental stones when they are naturally detached from the basements. Coral ecosystems are good zones for improving the marine habitat. The study of coral ecosystems provide enormous data for biosphere-geosphere interaction studies and modeling. Corals are storehouses of organic calcium carbonate. These are good compounds for pharmaceutical industries. Coral lagoons in some parts of the globe are considered to be good fishing zones. The atolls of the Republic of Maldives are good examples for this. It takes several decades to grow a few corals. The existing corals are to be protected and the species are to be saved. Ecology deals with organisms, populations, communities and ecosystems and the whole biosphere. Marine ecology deals with the study of environment and life in marine waters. It involves the study of marine organisms and their habitat. Their global distribution are studied in different branches of geography.